Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your favorite picture on the HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the system and updates, go for the language and input, and select the SwiftKey keyboard. Right now we have to enter the themes and switch to the custom, click start, select the picture that you want to customize and set it as your keyboard theme. I'm going for this one, click on the right upper corner. Here we are able to set up the background darkness. I'm going to set it up on the 11%, click done. Here we are able to add the symbols on our theme, click done. And as you can see, that's how our keyboard theme looks right now. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.